Hey guys, welcome back. This is where is Etoro official website located. So guys, I made this table over here so we can have an overview. So guys, Etoro is regulated in the UK, Europe, Australia, Gibraltar, and the US. And Etoro has 10 offices globally, including the location in the US, UK, Israel, Cyprus, and Australia. So guys, if you don't know, Etoro is a social trading and multi-asset investment company with a focus on CFD offerings. So guys, if you want to know their exact location, you can just simply go to their official website, which is etoro.com. And from here, this will be their homepage, guys. And now just simply scroll down to the very bottom of the website, and you should be able to see here about us. And you should be able to see here our offices. So click on that. And from here, guys, you should be able to see where they are located on each area. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand, and thanks for watching. See ya.